if we were to say that organized chaos is based on, this basic stall drill, which is just the left, right, then the organized chaos is doing it starting from the front plane, right? So then these are organized legs, where it's the same 1, 2, 3, 4, but under the legs. So I am leading with my right hand, which would be your left hand if you're mirroring me. And what I'm doing is stepping back my left leg, which means you should step back your right leg to mirror me, so that you have an opening. Then, if we were, where I started you here, was here in this butterfly. If we were in the butterfly, organized chaos 1 is to do, like organized chaos 2, the first 2 stalls out to the side. But then you step back and you circle up 3, 4, and come back to the front. So remember last week when we did, or 2 weeks ago, when we previously did organized chaos 2, the overhand ones went out, but then we circle behind and circle behind. Well, now we're doing the same thing, only we're putting the leg in the middle, and we only do one goes behind and the other one goes behind one leg, but not behind the butt. So you're an overhand, and you do out, out, then under, under, then back to overhand butterfly. Okay, so out, out, behind, behind, back to front. Now, you could do the same thing from the inside of the other leg. So step your left leg back or my right leg back, and then it's just this. Right, so you can go out, out, step one leg back, back to the front, and then out, out, step the other leg back, back to the front. Or you could connect them in the middle where it's just continuous stalling, where it's out, out, in, out, out. You're stepping and switching there on that one. Then you step and switch. Or you could go backward without doing 2 steps, right? Or forward without going steps. So instead of feet together, then separate them, right? You would pass the other foot either forward or backward. So in the first version, I was doing it like this. Out, out, in, step back together, right? And then out, out, under, then step back together. So at speed, bump, 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 bump. But you could do it where all you do is let's say we go under the right one first. Now we step the left one past the right one, so it's just a single step instead of a step forward and a step backward. Or I'm going to step my right one back now to just do a single step back versus together then backward.